In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom G3XN to computer or PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly connect your Zoom device to a PC or even a laptop and use software to control all of the settings. So in order to establish this connection, you just need to use the proper cables. So at the rear of your Zoom device, including the G3XN specifically, you will be able to set them up. So to connect this to your computer or PC, you will be using this USB port primarily. Of course, first go ahead and connect any devices that you wish to use alongside Zoom. So you will be able to connect it to an amp, and then, of course, an instrument like a guitar. Just use the proper cable. You can just search for guitar jack cable, and that should be it. So as you can see, if you want to connect a guitar, you have to use the input jack. So you plug one end of the cable into the input jack, and then the other one goes into the guitar itself. And then for a guitar amp, you can use this port here. So you plug one end of the cable here, and then the other one goes into the amp mixer, and so on. As long as these physical connections have been established, you will be good to go. Now, to connect it to a computer, like I mentioned, you simply need to use a USB cable. This is the most common type of connection. It is a standard connection type, and you should have a USB cable included. So plug one end of the cable here into the G3XN, and then the other one into your computer, PC, or laptop. And with this done, you are good to go. You can open up the software, and you will find your device here. Of course, in this screenshot, it is showing the G1X4, but it is also going to natively detect your G3XN, and you will be able to control it inside of Guitar Lab. It is easy to set up, all of the settings will be available, and you can connect many devices by using the rear ports on your Zoom device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Zoom G3XN to computer or PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.